Hello, we are from Group 5. We are going to present about one of communities in Yogyakarta, which is called KMI. First of all, do you like to draw comic? Who is your favorite comic artist? Do you know any favorite comic artist from Indonesia? Most done. Want some proof? Look at this video.
Jepang itu ada One Piece, Conan.
Komik yang kayak gimana? Aku sih dari dulu soalnya dari kecil bacanya manga Jepang ya. Jadi akhirnya secara umum komik yang aku tahu sebagian banyak adalah manga Jepang.
Biasanya Jepang atau Amerika.
Biasanya Jepang sama Korea.
Komik Indonesia akhir-akhir ini tahu paling cuma dari webtoon. Kayak apa? Juki terus yang gitu-gitu aja sih paling tahunya.
Pernah sih.
Belum pernah dengar.
Enggak ya?
Iya, sejujurnya enggak.
Komikus Indonesia ya? Aku malah tahunya kalau komikus zaman dulu. Kayak era Kosasih yang zaman-zaman masih ceritain Mahabharata dan segala macam kayak gitu sih.
Terus Indonesia ya? Nggak tahu.
Wah, nggak tahu, saya nggak merhati.
Wah, nggak tahu.
What is KMI? KMI is shortened name of Komunitas Manggaka Indonesia. Komunitas Manggaka Indonesia means a community for comic artists in Indonesia. The word mangaka is taken from a Japanese word which means comic artist. The community starts from an ordinary Facebook group. By the time, the group has grown into national scale community.
The history of KMI. KMI began from some people who wanted to provide those who had interest in the comic world of Indonesia. They started it by creating an online group on Facebook. As the time passed, the members of KMI have grown rapidly, which then branched to all our big provinces in Indonesia. For example, KMI in Yogyakarta and Jakarta. The organization structure. KMI has a unique way to organize their community. They gave a special calling for their admin of the community. For example, the founder who also the current admin group on Facebook is called the King. The King gets help from other admin to take care of their community and to keep in touch with other KMI members in other province. There are an admin for each province.
So, there are three main activities that this mangaka community has done so far. There are the scheduled activities that will continue as long as the community is still intact. The first one is Mangaka Fire. To put it simply, it is a contest to create comic between a comic artist with a certain theme. It's done every year. The second one is Battle Rally. It's another contest for the comic artists, but it's not them who battle each other. It's the original characters that they create purposely in a comic to defeat the other original characters. It's held in every 2 years. The last one is Gathering. This activity is important to make each mangaka create a deeper relationship instead of just being a member of the STEM community. For now, it's done regionally with the help of regional admins. They will meet, talk, and share ideas that mostly revolve around their hobby. So, what's unique about this community? Why do you have to join this community instead of other communities when you're interested in making a manga? Through all other mangaka communities, KMI can stand for years and has many active members because of: first, like the game that you usually play, they have interesting organization structure. The highest admin, who is also the founder, will be called as the King. Second, if you already know about the Battle Rally, isn't it something different to send your character to combat another one in a battle? And it's all especially done in a comic. It's not just about the storyline, but also the drawing, the character itself, etc. Third, KMI has its own comic compilation named KMI Rocket. It's available in every nearby Gramedia if you're curious. They're productive, they have their own product. Lastly, this community is eager to make us love our own products, comics that come from Indonesia that obviously need more recognition.
The distribution for society. First, the direct influence is of course for the comic artists themselves, especially the ones who live for Indonesian comics. In this modern era, in order to survive, Indonesian comic artists cannot work alone. they need support from other comic artists or the readers. And KME provide that. They can meet other comic artists, they can also improve or share information with each other in KME. Second, like we said before, KME is also a place where a comic artist can improve their skills. Why? Because the events that KME created not only for comic artists to know each other, but also to improve their skills by learning how to draw comic in limited pages and under deadline pressure. Third, KME is also a right place for a person who is interested to be a comic artist to start or learn. And the last is, KME always trying to make Indonesian comic to be more popular, so Indonesian will love what Indonesian make. For other information, KME has a product that can help its member to become a real comic artist. That is KME Rocket, a comic compilation magazine, and all of the comics are created by KME members. Until now, there are 2 volumes of KME Rocket that people can get in bookstores like Gramedia. Oh, and also KME has a future plan for its members. KME wanted to hold a gathering for all Java regional members. Isn't that fantastic? If you're interested to join KME, just visit the group in Facebook, Komunitas Mangaka Indonesia. So, that's all from us, Group 5. Thanks for watching.